So everyone, today's Monday, the 7th. I'm making this video kind of early, but so I'm gonna finally get my HSP EGR delete pipe in, and we're obviously gonna do the up pipe right instead of just putting a plate over it, which is always you should not do. Everyone says that, and some people did, and I did on my last truck. But this time we're actually doing it right and gonna get rid of that. So, but what Jake, I'm gonna have Jake from Diesel. Holy crap, I'm having a brain fart. Jake from Diesel Mafia Performance, and you see him all over the forums and stuff on LBZ, blah blah. But he's gonna help me do it, and well, he's gonna do it because this kind of stuff I do not trust myself with, especially that LBC. And this is what he recommended me doing, is PB blasting the actual bolts. So I'm gonna do that every single day before that. So I'm just gonna get in there, spray it, and then obviously get the one down like up here, or obviously it's right here somewhere, and then the one by the manifold down there. So I'm gonna spray them every day, just making sure that they come off easy for him and it's not that bad when he gets to doing it. So, but yeah, so I'll keep posting videos, and we'll get you a video installed, and it should be happening soon, 3 days. I'll be super excited. So good morning, America. I'm back. Finally, it's been a month. But we are on our way to take the truck to Diesel Mafia and take it to Jake and have him put in the EGR delete. I've been waiting for this since I got the truck. I'm super excited. Just like I told you, I've been wanting to do. I've been doing more performance stuff first because I would rather get that stuff done. The main components, the main things, EGR delete, exhaust. I'm gonna get a lip pump. I'm gonna go fast, and then I want to get an intake. But just to cover the main things that you want to do on a diesel first, obviously, and then after that, we'll start doing more of the aesthetic appearance stuff, like wheels, painting stuff and lights. But I wanted to kind of get the main stuff done. But then I'll start doing, after that, I'll obviously start doing, like, I want to do like head studs and then go from there, more bigger stuff. But yeah, that's kind of what I hate what people do. It's just like when people put subs in their cars and they don't do anything to the actual speakers on the doors. I hate that one. All you can hear is bass, and boom, you can't hear them singing or whatever. Kind of same thing with performance and appearance stuff. Like, people just put wheels, tires, and the stereo and be like, oh yeah, that's a build, that's it looks sweet. Yeah, it looks cool, but does it run? Does it go fast? Does it do anything? Not really. They probably put like an intake on it, but like, whatever. But it's like when old people buy like Corvettes and like sports cars and stuff. I never got that. It's like they just buy it just to say they have one, but it's not the main use for a sports car. You buy it to go fast. But we're on our way right now. We're ready to go see if maybe my miles per gallon or anything changes right now. I'm going about 57, and it's not correct, but I'm getting about 19 to 20 miles per gallon. So we'll see what happens. I don't have an EGT gauge yet, but we'll get there. So then I'll try to post videos of what he's doing, and I don't want to be in his way, but I'm excited. Look who's here. Let's get this started. You got 3?
Yep.
Oh.
Spot to get to. This yesterday, the day before.
This little bolt. One more to go. Oh man, here we go.
Rikki.
So we finally got that bolt out. Here's the actual cooler. Look how crazy it's looking. Oh man, but look at that. That is nuts. It's. Let me see if I can turn on the. There we go. Just caked in there. That's why you delete this. So here it is. It's all done. It's all pretty. It gets up tons of space. There's tons of room now everywhere. But it's all done, taken care of, clean, done the right way, and basically modified the up pipe, so we welded it so it's no more EGR pipe going up to it. It's all clean. Here is the cooler itself. It is thick, like really thick in there. Actual intake tube, but it's super thick, but it's like really thick in there. Like, sorry it's windy, but yeah. And then it's supposed to look pretty clean, but this is obviously from the PVC, or this is the oil that was coming from the PVC or PCV. Can't recall. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about anymore. But yeah, it's supposed to look pretty clean, but obviously it's not, because all the oil was coming in, and you can see a pretty good film on it. But it basically should have been clean, and then that's when all this crap comes in. EGR is basically like if you were breathing in your own farts. That's basically what this crap is. But focus. Yeah, it is dirty. Get that out of there immediately. Whoa, I look really tired. I don't know why, but so we got it done. Truck works and sounds amazing. As you can see, we had a little bit of a hiccup issue with that one bolt. Usually the most scary part about it is obviously the bolt breaks inside the turbo pedestal, but this one didn't. The problem we had was the actual bolt head was God damn, I lost the word. Hold on. Okay, take two. bolt with the head was just rounding off, so I got it right here. Where's it at? Hold on. It's very safe. Only trained professionals do this while they're driving. But as you can tell, it was just rounding off. I showed you in the last video, but the last post thing I did. So it was just rounding off, and so that's the only problem we had with it. Everything else was smooth. It's running great. I'm driving into the wind right now, and I'm getting about 19, 20, about the same. But I wonder if I was driving the other way, if it'd go higher. But it sounds a lot better. The actual response in the throttle feels a lot more firmer. I guess as soon as you press it, it just wants to go. I'm glad I did it this way instead of the other way like I did on my LOY. I don't have to worry about the, up pipe blowing up or because of the blocker plate, but it is running really good right now. I'm driving it about, it's probably been about 10 miles now, and I've been romping on it, going pretty crazy. Nothing's going off, no codes, nothing. So, but other than that, it actually went really good, a lot better. I was kind of stressing out the whole entire time he was working on the up pipe, because that was going to either make or break my day. It was like, oh, but it went great. So that one's done. So now we're doing the fast pump next. That's the next video. If not, maybe a smaller video I post next. But yeah, so like and subscribe, share, do whatever.